Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss with quadratic equations of finding the roots. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 8x square minus 3x plus 27 equals 0, then find the value of alpha square by beta whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus beta square by alpha whole to the power of 1 by 3, and options are 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. So first take the given quadratic equation 8x square minus 3x plus 27 equals 0. We need to find that alpha square by beta whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus beta square by alpha whole to the power of 1 by 3. So first compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c and find the coefficients. So the coefficient of x square is 8, coefficient of x is 3 minus 3, the coefficient of constant c value is 27. Okay, this step you keep aside guys. Now first of all we need to simplify this equation. We need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta and also alpha beta, because the sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta and product of roots equal to alpha beta, right? So take the given equation alpha square by beta whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus beta square by alpha whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this power is applicable for whole, right? 1 by 3 is applicable for numerator and also for denominator. I split it for numerator and also denominator. Okay, now take the this is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. It can be written as product of mn, right? M into n. So that only I mentioned here. Alpha power 2 by 3 by denominator part same, beta power 2 by 3 denominator part will be same. So here the LCM will be beta power 1 by 3 into alpha power 1 by 3. So you get alpha power 2 by 3 into alpha power 1 by 3 plus beta power 2 by 3 into beta power 1 by 3. So here the base are same, power should be added guys. So we get alpha power 3 by 3 plus beta power 3 by 3 to the base alpha beta whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay, we can write, you see, alpha power 1 by 3 into beta power 1 by 3 we can write as a whole to the same power, right? So cancel like terms, we get alpha plus beta by alpha beta whole to the power 1 by 3. Now find the value of sum of the roots. What is alpha plus beta from the given equation? It is minus b by a, that is minus 3 by 8. But already it was minus, we get 3 by 8 guys. So what is alpha beta? That is product of roots, we get c by a, that is 27, that is constant value, by 8, that is coefficient of x square. Now this value we simplified in this format, alpha plus beta by alpha beta whole to the power 1 by 3. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 3 by 8 and alpha beta is 27 by 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now numerator part you can write as it is, and denominator part we can split 27 as a power 3 and 8 can be split as 2 to the power of 3. We can split as a power 3, right? So simplify, we get 3 by 8 into 2 by 3. We get 1 by 4 guys. After simplification we get 1 by 4, that is option D. Option B guys. So I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this sum once again. If you are getting any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and and also more updates. Thank you.